Welcome, here I've got VIVO Y33s and let me show you how to change photo size in the camera app at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. From here let's go to right corner button so we can open camera settings. Now we have to focus on photo category, because here at the first place we have photo size option. When we tap on it we can decide between 4 options. We are in 4 and 3, let's move to full. And now when we move back to camera preview, we can see that the background has changed to full one. Another tap to right corner settings to photo size, and let's move to 16 and 9. In the preview we can see that this is a little bit shorter than full. And here in the settings we can also move to 1 and 1, so this is the square one. And of course here you can pick whatever you need. Now let me move back to 4 and 3, the original one. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.